Okay guys, here we go. Today we're going to talk about the different menu items that we have up here at the top in our menu. Right now I have 4 menu items, not including the home page. You will need 5, not including the home page. And you'll see that some of them, they have a little down arrow, and it'll show you some other pages that you can visit or links. And I'm going to show you how to add those and have these go to a link or have them go to a page. And I'm going to show you how to create a page. So here we go. Let's go ahead and click first on the menu. You'll see that it's outlined. We can just click in there and go to change menu links. And this seems to be the easiest way to just go ahead and add one is go to pages right here and go to add page. And I'm going to go ahead and give this a title. You can choose from some of these categories here, but I'm just going to go ahead and write in here in all caps so it matches the other ones I have up there. School map, I'm going to add. All right, and you'll see that we are on the page, school map. This template puts it in gray, whatever website we're on. So we are on school map. So I'm going to go ahead and now add an element. I'm going to add some text. And I'm going to just double click there and type map. And I'm going to move it up here. And now I'm going to add another element, an image. I've already uploaded an image of the school map. And there it is. I'm happy with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and publish it. I'm going to uncheck Japanese and publish. Hit done. All right, so now this should be published. Let me go ahead and open another tab with a website, and now I'm going to refresh it. You'll see that right now it doesn't say anything about a school map. So let me refresh it. And now we see school map. Now let's see what happens when I click on school map. You'll see that yes, it does take us to the page which we just created. That's the easiest way to get something up here, but I'm going to show you some other things you can do with it. Now I'd like to also make another link up here that goes straight to news. So I'm going to click on here again and change menu link, and I'm going to add a link to the site menu. So click add a link. But this time, instead of a page, I want it to be a web address. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in here cnn.com, and I'm gonna hit save. All right, and you'll see cnn.com appears right up there. And here in my site menu list, I also have one here that says cnn.com. This here is that one, and this here is the link that it directs you to. But I don't want it to say cnn.com. I want it to say news. So I'm going to change it there, and you'll see that it changes up here. So let me go ahead and publish that. Uncheck Japanese and hit publish. Go ahead and hit done. Now I'm going to go back to the finished version up here, and right now the last one here is school map. Let's see if it adds the one I just added. Let me refresh, and now it says news. Let's see if it takes me to cnn.com, and we'll see here that yes, it does, cnn.com. I'll go ahead and get out of there and go back to the editor. Now that's how you can add or make a menu item go directly to a link, and how you can create a page and make a menu item up here. Now let me show you how you can reorder them. To reorder them, maybe you want the contact one to be right here next to homepage. You can just drag it up, and you'll see that now contact is next to homepage. Let me go back to the menu links here. And if you want there to be a down arrow, you would just put then below another one. So right here I have school map, and I'm going to click up and drag it and put it below resources and drop. Sometimes it takes a couple tries. Okay, school map is now under resources. Let's see if that's how it is. Let's go back to my website, and let me refresh, and let's see if right here under resources we have school map. Let me click on it, and it takes us to, well, we're already there. Let me go home. Resources, now we can see them better, and we have school map right there, and it takes us to the school map. So that's pretty much everything you need to know as far as your menu and pages.